All right, we're back in the garage. We got a lot of things done. Everything is back on, basically. Got a new quick disconnect fire extinguisher. We were thinking we were gonna get new front plastics, but some things fell through, it didn't work out. So the new plan is to fix the broken one. I went to Harbor Freight and I bought a plastic welder. Let me start Jake's dryer again so his clothes can dry. You're welcome, buddy. Bring you guys inside. Over to the workstation. Got the plastic welder, Harbor Freight. Just practiced on that piece right there. Here we go. Boom, boom. Here's where we're working. Some utensils, the plastic that we're gonna fill a gap with, and got the camera set up. I'm gonna show you guys how it goes. All right, so we just finished the first round of plastic and the camera died, of course. Useless. So yeah, I'll let you guys see how it looks. Covered her up pretty good. I just cut this piece and we're just gonna lay one right across the middle and go across the whole thing and thicken her up. Just add a little extra strength. Feels pretty good, actually. Like, I'm very impressed by this stuff. And then we're gonna have to fix a lot more once we prove that this works. I'll see you after we put this on.
I finished up the rest of the plastic welding and then got both fenders bolted back onto the car.
Well guys, I finally got the last parts for the RZR in. Pretty pumped about it. The two hood clips, boom, boom. After we get those in, I think we are officially ready for level 3 inspection at the DMV. She is looking really nice. Woo! And I went out the other day and I bought a trailer. Here she is. Sticking over on the neighbor's side a little bit, but we're hoping they don't complain. Yeah. Well, we lasted about 2 days with the RZR being put together. She is back ripped apart because we decided we were gonna install a stereo system. So, got her all ripped apart. Amps going right here. Let's bring it inside. Here we go. Got some sweet kicker pod speakers. Nice. Nice 5-channel amp, so we can install the sub and some more speakers later. And there's all our wiring and adapters and connectors and stuff, but it's gonna be a pretty sweet install. Trev's on his way home now. And then those bad boys will be getting mounted right up here. Boom. All right, guys, I'm out back. I don't have the best workshop, but you know, we're just going with what we got. We're drilling into the fiberglass right now, making the, or drilling out the holes where the clamps will go, that's gonna hold the speaker pods. Pretty cool. All right, we're about halfway through the install right now. Actually, we're further than that. We got both pods all assembled and mounted, looking good. Nice clean wiring job. Up the back, through the cage, down the post. Boom, right there, under, right to there. Hasn't been installed into the amp yet. Amp, sturdy as can be. Nice little posts. Over here, got the head unit installed. Really like the placement, like how it turned out a lot. Next thing up is to get her all wired together. We're trying to sort through all this right now, but yeah, you should be hearing it pretty soon. We'll be back. Well, we're calling it quits on the night. Trev's already in bed, and this is how she sits. Got our bus bar all clamped up because we don't have any nuts yet. Got a little sketchy wiring job going on. We were testing out which How we were wanting to wire up these bad boys. Boom. Looking good. Alright, I'm going to bed. I'm tired. A nice shot there for you. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, and a freshly installed sticker. Shout out UTV Stereo. Boom.
My dumbass forgot to take a video of us putting the rest of the wiring together, so here's that. And then we put the rest of the car together and finally got to take it out for a little rip.
Ready?